Hello and welcome to the CSEET MCQs for exam. This is part 11. Make sure you watch the first 10 parts, and also we will be discussing further legal aptitude questions in this part. Yes, the first question here is Article 17 says that dash is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. So this is again related to which Constitution of India. So in Constitution of India, we discuss about something is abolished. What is that? Fundamental rights? Definitely not. Fundamental rights is granted by the Constitution of India. Right to property? No. Right to property is not abolished. It is just a right. It is not a fundamental right. That's all. Child labor? Yes, child labor is abolished, but not by Article 17. It is in the Child Labor Prohibition Act. So Article 17 of the Constitution of India, untouchability, the age-old practice of untouchability, that this person is a lower caste, this person is a higher caste, we cannot touch him, we cannot bring him to the house, all that has been abolished, and the practice of untouchability in any form in India is forbidden. It is a crime. You will be sent to jail if you practice untouchability. That is the Article 17. Of course, during the COVID time, you cannot touch anyone, but that is not related to religion, that is related to health. So that is different. But basically, they're talking about differentiating the people because of their lower caste, higher caste, all that is not there. That is forbidden, that is abolished by the Constitution of India, Article 17. Okay. Next, the executive power of the state is vested in dash. Executive power of the state, executive power of the center, that is the executive. At the central government level, it is the president, but now it is not president. Is it the chief minister? No. Chief minister is the legislature or the legislative head. That is for the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, or where we elect ministers, that is ministers of legislative assembly. So legislative assembly head is the chief minister, legislative assembly and legislative council. MLA or MLC whom we elect directly is MLA, MLC is indirectly. Home Minister of the state, no, that is just one minister. It is below the chief minister, so that is also wrong. So the executive power of the state government is the governor of that particular state. So governor is appointed by the President of India. The President of India appoints the governor, and that person is nothing but the executive power of the state government. We are talking about the state government. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Okay, next we go to the next concept. Stranger to a contract cannot sue both under English and Indian law for want of dash of contract. So a person who is a stranger. So suppose we have a contract between ABC Private Limited and PQR Limited. So these are the people who have entered into a contract for production of any supplies or any service or any products. So if somebody else is there, LMN Limited, somebody else, we have ABC, PQR, LM and somebody else comes into picture. Stranger to a contract cannot sue, that means cannot file a case. Somebody who is stranger to the contract in both English law and Indian law because they don't have dash. Is it jurisdiction, privity, agreement, terms and conditions? It is not jurisdiction, it is not agreement, it is not terms and condition, it is privity of contract. They are a stranger. So a stranger to a contract cannot sue, cannot file a case under both English law and Indian law for want of privity of contract. So the answer is privity of contract. Okay. Yes, that we understood very well. Next question, MCQ. Which of the following person is called of unsound mind? Whom do we call as unsound mind? Who is it? Is it a mad person? Is it a lunatic person? Is it an idiot who cannot understand in the normal course? So it is basically we call a person who is a lunatic. Even in the Indian Contract Act, it has been told very clearly. Indian Contract Act 1872, lunatic is a person whom we call as a person of unsound mind who cannot understand the terms of contract and sign it. So that is a lunatic person. Then we understand, so that is answer is B, lunatic. Then the literal meaning of the word wager. What is the meaning of the word wager? Is it wages? No. Is it bet? Yes. Is it salary? No. Is it condition? No. So wager actually means bet. So if you have a betting, especially in cricket match or something like that, people will be betting. Correct? This team will win, this player will score century, etc. etc. So wager is a bet. So that is how the word is derived. The correct answer is B, bet. So we understood about wager, we understood about unsound mind, we've understood about privity of contract, we understood about the executive power of the state is governor, the executive power of the central government executive is president, and untouchability is forbidden in the Constitution of India. So that was part 11 of the MCQs. I will see you in part 12 of the MCQs. That is legal aptitude. Legal aptitude CSEET MCQs.